Good afternoon, sir. May I have...
Call back.
Hey, sir, can I have 2 tickets for the next flight to Santa Monica?
Sir, but the lady was here first.
Yeah.
Really? Why do you care? Just do your job, okay?
Yes, sir. So, Santa Monica.
Santa Monica, as he said, man.
Okay, you're a lucky man, sir.
I know.
Those are the last 2 tickets.
Nice.
Now,
It can be. I'm a doctor, and I need to go on this flight.
Too bad.
Look, I have a patient waiting for me there.
But it's too bad for a patient, okay?
Michael, honey, come on. I can get on the next flight.
No, you can't. I can't, okay?
oh, I can give you and your lady tickets for the flight that leaves in 2 hours.
Oh, nice.
What do you say?
No one will die if she stays. But I'm getting stuck here, losing 2 hours of my vacation because of her. No way, man. Do you understand that?
Sure, sir.
I do one stop for your service. Just do your job. It's so simple. Don't hold us up. Hurry up. Give us our tickets, man.
I got it, sir.
Yeah, I need it. I need that you got me. Everything is okay.
No.
Yes.
Enjoy your flight, Mr. Harris.
Enjoy your life behind the glass, jerk.
I'm so sorry.
I always thought of a life as a competition, where there was no place for sympathy or kindness. But I've never been so wrong. Indifference can cost lives. And I had no idea it was my own life.
Michael, I have a bad feeling about this.
Why?
Have you seen our seats?
Yeah, they're great. We're flying. That's what matters.
No, wrong number. 13. It's a bad sign.
Oh, really? Come on, God, that's nonsense, okay?
You were very rude with that woman, and karma has always coming back.
Karma always back. Come on. Hey, babe.
Dear passengers, we're entering a turbulent zone. Please fasten your seatbelts and remain calm.
Woo! What a freezer ride! Oh.
Oh, God. You think this is really funny that bag was flying straight out in your hat?
But it didn't. So, babe, please stop exaggerating, okay?
Oh, we apologize for this accident. As compensation, we are offering you 2,000 miles and free drinks.
Thank you, dearie. Yeah, that's great. Take it. So here's to good decision.
What do you mean?
You don't want to? Okay, we'll take it. If we'd given up the tickets for that crazy doctor, we wouldn't have had any luck. So, I was right. For me, the greatest.
Michael? Michael, what's wrong? Oh, is there a doctor here? Michael!
Here we are. The doctor on board would come in handy.
He's talking! Michael!
Oh, thank you. Whew. What a crazy experience.
I told you
you so. It's good that you're finally realized.
Realized what? Hey, dearie. One more drink, please, but not olives this time, okay?
Michael, will you stop it? You have a problem with the heart. You remember it?
I'm no problem with you right now. So please be quiet, okay? Thank you. You can leave it here.
Sir, we're about to land. You don't have much time.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Hey, wanna? No? Hey, dude. Wanna? Yeah? Come on, let's go. Take it. Cheers. For real, man. If I only know that I was critically short on time.
Our plane has landed. Thank you for choosing to fly with our airlines today.
Hey, babe. I don't feel so good. My heart.
What?
My heart is broke. You broke my heart.
You're an idiot.
Hey, babe, I'm just kidding. Come on, wait.
Help! Somebody! He's got a shock! Michael!
Where's the professor?
She didn't get on the plane.
We're losing you.
Hey, babe. Am I in heaven?
Silly boy, we're in hospital. Oh, it's a miracle you survived.
But I heard there was no doctor.
Oh, Dr. Carter arrived at the last minute. She's the best specialist in the hospital. She saved your life.
How do you feel, Michael?
You? But how it possible? Because of me, you might not have made it to the flight.
Luckily, I managed to.
Miss, please, for a second.
Yeah.
I'll call back. Thank you. I just made arrangements with the pilot. Sorry for inconveniences. So you will fly on a charter flight instead.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. May I have your passport?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Don't worry. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you.
Thank you. You saved my life.
I just did my job. And you're lucky that I had help from someone who cared. That's for you.
A small act of kindness can save someone's life. Sometimes your own. A small act of kindness saved the life of Victor Gisbert of Winnipeg, Manitoba. The man showed sympathy. He stopped at the side of the road to help the girls fix their car. As fate would have it, they were there when Victor had a heart attack behind the wheel. The girls provided the first aid to their savior in time and saved his life.